Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new contacts from Agile CRM to the BulkSMS SMS service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Agile CRM to other systems. For example, through BulkSMS you can send SMS messages to your customers. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Then you need to select the Agile CRM data source system. Now you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. At this stage, you need to connect your Agile CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the domain, login and API key. To get this data, go to your personal Agile CRM account. We copy the domain from the address bar, without additional characters. Next, specify the Agile CRM user login. Now you need to specify the API key to get it back to your personal Agile CRM account. Next, go to Admin Settings. Now go to the Developers API section. Copy the REST API and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required fields are filled, click Continue. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Agile CRM system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now you see the data for one of your Agile CRM contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Agile CRM data source. Now you need to go to the data destination settings. Select BulkSMS as the data destination system. Next, you need to select an action. Send SMS. At this stage you need to connect your BulkSMS account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the login and password of your personal account BulkSMS. When the required fields are filled, click Continue. When the connected login is displayed in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you see the BulkSMS fields that you need to fill in to send SMS messages. To get started, you can choose Message Routing. In the Sender Alpha Name field, you need to write the alpha name that you have registered in your BulkSMS account. In the Recipient Phone Number field, you must specify a variable from Agile CRM that contains the phone number. To assign a variable to a field, click on it and select the variable from the drop-down list. In the Message field, you need to compose the text of the message that will be sent to users. Please note that you can use not only variables, but also manually enter values. When the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of an SMS message that will be sent through the BulkSMS service for each new contact from Agile CRM. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to BulkSMS. After successful sending, go to BulkSMS and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the BulkSMS data reception setup. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the update interval, for example once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.